Hey traders, and welcome to the Spreadsheet Mastery course. In this first video, we'll talk about everything that you will need in order to take full advantage of the things you'll learn in this course. So let's go ahead and get that started. First off, you'll definitely need some kind of office software. Now, if you already have Excel or OpenOffice on your computer, then either of those will work fine. But if you don't have some kind of office software on your computer yet, then I would suggest using the same software that I use, which is LibreOffice. You can find that at www.libreoffice.org. And I'll post that on the screen somewhere in front of you. Once you get to this site, all you have to do is click download now right here. And this software will give you everything you need in order to create and manage the spreadsheets that you'll be learning about throughout this course. So that's pretty much all you'll need in order to take advantage of this course. There is one other thing. I'll go ahead and head back over to a spreadsheet for you. As you can see in this spreadsheet, we calculate risk and money management using a certain percentage of our total account balance. That's why you see this risk per position right here. So because we're doing this, we need to be able to calculate our position size, as in the amount of units we need to trade per trade, rather quickly. And if you were to try to do that math on your own, depending on the currency pair, it could get a little bit difficult. So instead, what I use is a position size calculator. The best one I've found is on myfxbook.com. And I'll put that website on the bottom of the screen so you can go ahead and type that into your browser and bookmark this page, because this is something you'll be using quite often, probably every time you place a trade. So what does this position size calculator do? Well, you type in your account currency. For me, it's USD. Your account size. We'll just start with a $10,000 account. Your risk ratio in percentage. This is the amount you want to risk in your account per trade. So let's say we're risking 2% per trade. Then your stop loss in pips. Let's say it's a 50 pip stop. And then the currency pair. We're going to use the Aussie dollar just to keep it simple for now. So once you have all that typed in, you just click calculate, and it will tell you the money you're risking per trade. Of course, if we're risking 2% of a $10,000 account, that's going to be $200. And it will also tell you the units you need to purchase in order to risk that amount of money. Now, when it comes to trading currencies that are in your base currency, for me, that's the US dollar. It's not a very difficult thing to calculate, but once you get into different currency pairs, for instance, let's consider I was trying to trade on the Euro Aussie and I wanted to risk 2% of a $10,000 account. In that case, it would be really difficult to calculate the amount of units I need in order to do so. So we do it here in the position calculator. We have a $10,000 account balance, 2% risk, 50 pip stop on the Euro Aussie. Hit calculate. That tells us that we're going to be risking $200, and in order to risk $200, we need to purchase 51,097 units. So as you can see, this makes the process of calculating your position size in units extremely simple and very fast, which is necessary for the type of money management and risk management that we're going to implement in this course. So we'll talk more about that later on in the video. These are pretty much the only things you'll need in order to take full advantage of the Spreadsheet Mastery course. In the next video, we'll do another introduction, talking a little more about the spreadsheet itself and also what all is included in the course. And after that, we'll get started diving into some formulas and equations that are used to calculate all these important things in a spreadsheet. So I'll see you guys there.